Hi, I am Aaron Srivastava here, and today I'll be presenting to you the different types of aircraft models which are used for both domestic and international flights. So you can see the picture, it shows an Air France plane. In 2013, I started becoming an enthusiast on aviation industry as a passenger-based aviation enthusiast. And however, being an aviation enthusiast, I only still contribute to aviation industry as a passenger. This really inspired me when I always love going on vacations and always have fun on flying in airplanes, though they can be expensive. An airplane is the most convenient type of transportation to travel worldwide. Fun fact: Qantas Airways is going to start its Project Sunrise flights in 2026 on Sydney to New York and London route. Also, Qantas is also going to operate these flights on Melbourne from Melbourne as well. Good job, Qantas. And these are expected to be the world's longest flights, the Qantas A350 operations. The Qantas operations. I was very obsessed with Project Sunrise last year after finding out that Qantas is not going to start its Project Sunrise flights until 2026. And it will also feature a well-being room in the plane. So we are going to identify 5 different aircraft types: the Airbus A320 family, the Boeing 737 family, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, the Airbus A350, and the Boeing 777. But do you know, fun fact, why I did not include the Airbus A380 even though it was my favorite? Is because Airbus A380 cannot be used on domestic routes because the plane is too big and domestic flight routes are always short. An Airbus A380 is meant for long haul destinations like Dubai to Singapore, Singapore to Sydney, London, and even other destinations like Dubai to Auckland and Dubai to Wellington. And if you know, what I would like to say is that my most favorite Airbus A380 was intended to be my most favorite wide body, but in 2019, Airbus had to discontinue the build type because the plane is not worse, because the plane is too big. It's more unlikely that Airbus will revive the A380. This is really great. This is really going to sadden up many aviation enthusiasts around the world that Airbus is planning to scrap its A380 project. Oh my gosh, they really love the A380. Luxury. It's the aircraft model of luxuries, especially with Emirates Airline for its onboard showers and premium economy. Oh my god. What is happening to Airbus A380? Even I was disappointed by the discontinuation of Airbus A380. However, let's leave this out of topic content and move on. So at start, we're going to talk about the Airbus A320 family. So you've got a variety of variants from A319 to A320neo to A321 and A321neo, and its range go to 6,000 to 8,700 kilometers. And if you see why this airline can be operated on both international and domestic flights, it's because they're meant for shorter flights, and even international flights can also be short too. For example, like Delhi to Mumbai or Chiang Mai to Singapore. And also, the A321neo can even fly a longer range or 6-hour flight. Like you know like how Vistara airline operates its A321neo on a 6-hour flight between Delhi and Singapore with flight UK 116 and UK 115. Nowadays, flights are operated using Air India, and these international flights are registered as AI 2116 and AI 2115. AI 2116 for Singapore to Delhi and AI 2115 for Delhi to Singapore. And you see airlines like Delta, American Airlines, Air India, plus Vistara, China Southern Airlines, and more. Really love this plane. It's very popular. And due to its variance variety, it can be operated on both domestic and international. And now A321 XLR was the latest launch on on long destinations like Los Angeles to London flight. So move on to next slide. We're going to look at the Boeing 737 family. So we have models like 737-8 and 737 MAX. And same, it can be used for both international and domestic flights. But its range goes to 5300 to 6570 km. And it can still be operated on both international and domestic flights. Airlines go to Singapore Airlines, Southwest. We also have other airlines like Ethiopian Airlines, Qatar Airways, and even and also we have more like Delta Airlines as shown in the picture. Delta Airlines, United Airlines, Boeing 737 MAX is the only narrow body aircraft used by Singapore Airlines. And the airline operates the type on Singapore to Phuket route, Kolkata, and even Singapore to Darwin route. And it's unfortunately the Boeing 737 MAX is also very popular aircraft type. And many airlines love this plane, especially Boeing lovers, airlines that love Boeing planes at this time. So now we are going to look at the Boeing 787. So models like 787-8 to 787-10 range is to be 12,000 to 14,000 km, and airlines go to All Nippon Airways, Ethiopian Airlines, Air India and more. Features high fuel efficiency, suitable for medium and long haul flights. I see Boeing 787 can still be used on domestic routes because Air India and China Southern Airlines have been using the type on domestic flights like Delhi to Mumbai and for domestic flight. And Boeing 787 is a very good aircraft. And now it's really most popular to airlines. Most common wide body. Last we're going to look. No, this is the second last, the A350. Models will go like A350 900 and 1000. And the airlines go like Singapore Airlines, Qatar Airways, China Southern Airlines, Air India and more. Longest range compared to other aircraft models like A350 900 and A350 1000, and its features are high fuel efficiency suitable for medium and long haul flights. And Boeing 777, classic 777 variants like Boeing 777 and Boeing 777X. An airline goes to Emirates, Qatar Airways, Singapore Airlines, and Thai Airways. And this aircraft model, together with the A350s, have been on use on both domestic and international flights. Range 13650 km, and features also include the same. 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 13650 good for medium and long haul flights. So we're here to come to the end of the presentation, and we will see you next week. Goodbye.